When it became clear to the AMS that phases 2 and 3 of the Queen's Centre were no longer going to be completed, the AMS took it upon themselves to head to the table with the university and actually withhold the student money that had been collected but yet to be spent on the remainder of the project, which was about $1.2 million. And they signed an agreement at the time to commit that money to revitalizing some portion of the JDUC in a way that would best benefit students for the years to come. The mission of the SLC must be to continue to provide that service that students can rely on and that service that students can count on and trust. So how that fits into this project is this project will be making the building better and more usable for students. It's kind of a symbol of the AMS really making good on their word and making good on a failed promise on behalf of the university, which was the phases 2 and 3 of the Queen's Centre where the student money was collected. And the fact that it's coming to fruition now really shows that students do have the capability to follow through on a pretty big commitment that matters, and one that will affect them for many years and future generations of Queen's students. And now we have broken ground and the project is well underway. So pretty much everything between when the agreement was signed and now was looking at what projects were the most feasible, collecting student feedback, hiring a construction company to undertake the work, and all of the planning and legwork was really within those in-between years. However, it's not kind of the end of the road for where we envision the JDUC heading. This year we've started to have pretty lengthy discussions with the senior administration about how this building is going to fit into the larger kind of network of campus buildings in future years. And it's become pretty apparent that a need for a larger scale renovation of the entire space is necessary. So once this project is completed, we don't plan on kind of putting our feet up and resting. The next step will be to kind of enact a contractual agreement to renovate the entire space to make sure that it's best suited for our corporate services, for students and clubs who need more space, whether that be to have their meetings or study, or to just have space to, eat and hang out with friends. That's something that we haven't necessarily been able to increase as enrollment has been increasing on campus, and it's definitely something that's necessary heading forward. Now we're really happy to say that the project is supposed to be completed hopefully by the end of May, so it will be done well in advance of the next school year.